Hi everyone, I'm Donny and we're here at McCurley Integrity Mazda in the Pasco Autoplex. Behind me sits a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited. It's a great car, great for rock climbing and adventures on the weekend. Everyone knows that we have new cars, but a lot of people forget that we have one of the best selections of used vehicles in the Tri-Cities, along with many of them being certified pre-owns and coming with warranty. So stop by one of the McCurley Integrity locations and see what we have for you. The 2018 Jeep Wrangler boasts a leather-wrapped steering wheel along with leather and heated seats in the front, automatic transmission, and hands-free touchless buttons on the steering wheel to allow you to control your devices and never take your eyes off the road. The infotainment system comes with a touchscreen display, Sirius XM capabilities, and Bluetooth. Though not much has changed for the Wrangler in terms of design over the years, they don't have to. It's an American icon. When you see a Jeep Wrangler coming towards you, you know it's a Wrangler. One thing they have done is increase cargo space in the back. Fit whatever you want when you're going on your adventure on the weekends. This Jeep is just one of the many shining examples of great pre-owned inventory we have. So come see us at the Pasco Autoplex and make sure you ask for me, Donny Ballou.